Great Wall of China.
We love to travel, and Big Bird and Oscar take us around the world.
Is das Deutschland?
I never realized the puppet shows I was doing as a kid would open doors to me all over the world.
It's so wonderful to be back here in Vancouver. Such nice weather.
Never mind. You can have this book gratis.
Yeah, but can I have it for free, too?
That too.
And of course, meeting people is really great too.
It's got a driver, right? And lots of seats for people to sit on, right?
Yeah, you got it, Shorty.
We haven't met Paul McCartney yet, though. That's still the bucket list. So, just putting it out there.
One time, Deb and I, the phone rang, and by gosh, it was Jim. And he said, I've been awfully busy. Want to go to a movie?
Amongst the puppeteers, amongst that Muppet family, there's a real closeness, and Carroll often isn't part of that. I just think that he is so happy with Debbie and their world.
Gradually, it got more and more, so we would spend more time with him. He just acted like a friend, not like a boss.
I think my dad found Carroll delightful. Carroll is delightful.
They had a real genuine friendship and would spend time together. I don't think Carroll ever had that kind of friendship with some of the others.
He was just unlike anyone else.
To do nothing with Jim was probably the most fun. You could see him just kind of come down from it all, because he's, you know, he's such a genius. He's always thinking.
Did you wish to see me about something, Mr. Cook, sir?
The day he hired me, he hadn't had a vacation in 3 years, and he didn't care. He said, I'd much rather work than go on a vacation. I'm sort of the opposite.
It's very nice to have you here, but unfortunately, we have to keep going, and you get to go home. So.
I never lost my awe for the man. He was awesome.
Carol's leaving. Yeah. The rest of us are working, but Carol's leaving, but that's okay. We don't care.
Good night.
Bye, Carol.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye, Carol. See you. Thanks for. It was nice working with you. Bye-bye.
Awfully queer to me. At the step, he tickled and knockers do exist. If I ever find out just what this word can mean, I'd be the smartest bird this world